Hi, I am Sreeja. I would like to introduce my new research article, Design, Synthesis and Biological Evaluation of 2-amino benzimidazole derivative as DPP4 inhibitors. As we know that this DPP4 enzyme inhibitors are anti-diabetic agent because they have an ability to increase the incretin hormone and thereby increasing the secretion of insulin, and finally the blood glucose level become normal in blood. Then in this article, I focused first how to design this 2-amino benzimidazole derivative as a drug bind to DPP4 enzyme. So the docking method is used and the Discovery Studio software was used in that purpose. The Discovery Studio software gives an idea about the active binding site of the ligand to the concerned receptor and the binding energy. The binding energy is interpreted in terms of negative CDocker energy, and the protein data bank ID of 4C DPP4 enzyme is 4CDC. The negative CDocker energy of the proposed derivative will compared with that of the standard drug sitagliptin. The next section point out the synthesis of 2-amino benzimidazole derivative. The proposed derivative showed good active binding score and active binding site were selected for wet lab synthesis. The 2-amino benzimidazole derivatives were synthesized from 2-amino benzimidazole, which was first synthesized from orthophenylene diamine, and it was converted into benzimidazole chloroacetamide by the action of chloroacetyl chloride. And finally, it can converted into benzimidazole with the amino compound by reacting with the various amines. The synthesized compounds were characterized by using various spectroscopic techniques such as IR, NMR, C13, mass and melting point. Then the third section point out the evaluation of anti-diabetic activity of selected synthesized 2-amino benzimidazole derivative. For that purpose, the sitagliptin is used as a standard drug and the diabetes was induced by administration of streptozotocin along with the nicotinamide. The standard drug as in the dose of 10 mg per kg. Then the next groups of animals received the selected synthesized 2-amino benzimidazole derivative in the dose of 30 mg as a low dose and 60 mg as a high dose. Then, after the administration of these selected derivatives, the blood glucose level was checked every 7 days for 28 days. It can be seen that the blood glucose level becomes significantly reduced. After the experiment, the plasma was collected and evaluated the hematological and biochemical parameters. It can be seen that the total cholesterol level and LDL level was significantly reduced and the hemoglobin level and HDL level was increased. So all the results point out that this 2-amino benzimidazole derivative having an ability to decrease the blood glucose level. So it become an anti-diabetic compound. Thank you, and I express my sincere thanks to Dr. A. Andon Smith who gave his valuable support and guidance. Thank you all.